April Fool's Day, April 1, but around this area it's known as trout season.
How about this, boys?
Here's to your fish under the water. Here's to one and all the billions of your sons and daughters. And look at all the expensive, goofy tackle I bought. Hope you never get swallowed and you never get caught. I don't know why I fish sometimes. I guess I want to see who's at the other end of the line. Nice fish, they all say, as you swim away on TV Saturday. Nice fish.
We got one.
Nice fish. Nice fish.
Freezing cold water.
Mama, cut me down a cane pole, long and stout. Hey, mama,
Here's number 2.
I got a date with a big brown trout. Going on down to my fishing hole, going on and down, and there ain't no doubt. Going on down to my fishing hole, coming back home with a big brown trout. Hey, mama, cut me down a cane pole, long and stout. Hey, mama, cut me down a cane pole.
Number 2. I'll let you go, buddy.
Grandma Claire was gonna jump and holler. Grandma Claire was gonna jump and shout. Grandma Claire was gonna jump and holler. Take a look at this, I caught a big brown trout. Hey, mama, cut me down a cane pole, long and stout. Hey, mama, cut me down a cane pole.
That's number 3. That's number 3. We lost him. You saw it though. 3. Hat trick, baby.